In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mask with a shape in Figma. Masking is a simple way to show only part of a layer, like an image or a graphic, using another shape as a window. Nothing gets deleted. Anything outside the shape is just hidden, which makes it great for non-destructive editing and quick iterations. Start by drawing the shape that will act as your mask. You can use a rectangle by pressing R, an ellipse with O, or any polygon or custom vector. This shape defines exactly what will remain visible. Don't worry too much about the fill color or stroke right now. The path of the shape is what matters for masking, and you can always refine its look later. Next, add the image or object you want to mask. This could be a photo, an illustration, or a texture. Place it on the canvas and size it roughly where you want it. The important part is how these layers are stacked. In the Layers panel, make sure the image or object sits above the shape that will become the mask. The mask affects layers above it, so the order should be the image on top and the shape just below. Now, select both layers. Hold Shift and click the image, then the shape, so they're highlighted together. With both selected, apply the mask. You can right-click and choose Use as Mask, or use the shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus M. On Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus M. Figma will create a mask group, and you'll immediately see only the portion of the image that falls inside your shape. The best part is that everything remains editable. To reframe the image within the shape, double-click to enter the mask group, select the image, and drag it around until it looks right. Hold Shift as you resize to keep proportions consistent. To change the visible area, select the shape and resize or reposition it. If you used a rectangle, adjusting the corner radius can soften the edges of your mask without any extra tools. You can also move the image and the mask independently or select the mask group to move them together. If something doesn't look right, the layer order is usually the culprit. Make sure the image is above the shape before applying the mask. Remember, masked areas aren't deleted, they're just concealed so you can tweak and experiment freely. That's it. You've just learned how to create, apply, and fine-tune a mask with a shape in Figma.